Responder to responder is the ability to let officers know of a possible and potential collision with another emergency vehicle, even outside their agency. Through CORE, we can flash the control panel, we can give them a DVM alert, a visual voice message alert, or potentially add additional lighting in the vehicle to draw their eyes to the left and right of their vehicle.
The responder to responder is one of the most useful tools that you can have. When you're running lights and sirens to a call, there are so many things going on in that car that you are pretty much task saturated. You are listening to the radio as to what's going on the call. You're looking at the computer where notes are being updated, telling you what is now happening, who to make contact with, where you're going, and things evolve and change so quickly that it may change 2 or 3 times before you can even get to the call.
Responder works outside of even their agency. So other fire departments, police departments, or any other emergency vehicle on the R2R network will give warning to that vehicle.